Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of those really annoying commercials in between innings on MLB TV. This is an update to my video I did last year. This is 2021. Today is Lou Gehrig Day, June 2nd. And so MLB TV has changed things slightly. So the video that I had before doesn't work just exactly the way it is. So this is an update. Again, I'm using a Mac just like last year and Chrome as my browser, so keep that in mind. I'm going to show you what I do real quick, and then I'm going to give a little, explain a couple of other things in case you're using a different type of machine or browser. So what you want to do is, right now I have the game paused, but with the game on and not during commercials. It seems to not work for me if I try this while the commercial is playing. But if you're during the game, not a commercial or in between innings, then right-click with your mouse on the video. Okay, you're going to get some options here. One of them is inspect. Other browsers may call this something else, but the idea is to just get to where you can see the HTML code of the page as you see here. On your browser, you may have this at the bottom of the page instead of the side like how I have it, but it's the same thing. Then we're going to look for a specific bit of code and we're going to delete it. Okay, the easiest way to do that is on your keyboard, use COMMAND+F or CTRL+F, and you will have a box to find text on this code. And we're looking for something called add ad-container media player. And you can see it there's highlighted. And so this entire div, you select it so that it's highlighted, and we want to delete it. Don't worry about these numbers. They'll be different for you. These numbers are unique for each game. So every game that you do this to, they'll have different numbers. But it's, so yeah, this bit that says add-container-media player is the only one on the page. You're going to delete it. You can do that by hitting the delete key, the backspace, or right-click on your mouse and select delete element. So I'm going to delete that now, and it's gone. That's basically it. Okay, I'm going to play the video again, and what's going to happen next is when it gets to the commercials, it's not going to play a commercial. It's just going to have this bit that says commercial break in progress. And that's it. It's not going to hit the commercials. It's just going to stay here. When the commercial break is over, you'll go back to the game as normal. So this is nice. It's useful. I hate these commercials because they're very loud in between innings and annoying. They only play the same 2 or 3 commercials every game, so it gets old pretty fast. So a couple of things, as I mentioned, because I'm using a Mac and I'm using Chrome, if you're using something different, then it may be a little bit differently for you. So if you're having problems with this or it's not working, leave me a message, leave me a comment, and with the details of what you're using, so that I can try and replicate it and figure out how to help you. All right. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that this works if you cast your tab to your TV. If you have a Chromecast hooked up to your TV, you can cast this tab after doing this bit of deleting that bit of code, and then this will work on your TV as well. You won't see the commercials. So that's good to know. But keep in mind that if you need to refresh the page for whatever reason, or you change games, you suddenly decided to watch a different game, you will have to do this again, because every time that the page refreshes, it's going to put that bit of code back onto the page. So if you need to, for whatever reason, you need to close the page or you change games, you'll have to do this bit again to get rid of the commercials. Okay, I hope that is helpful. Again, if you have questions or comments, let me know, and have yourself a great day. Take care.